Understanding the skin struggle? Acne is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, regardless of age or gender. It's not just a teenage problem, adults can suffer from it too. The journey to clear skin can be challenging and often frustrating. Acne. It's a common skin condition that causes pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. These blemishes can appear on the face, back, chest, and even shoulders. They can be painful and sometimes leave scars if not treated properly. This happens when hair follicles get clogged with oil and dead skin cells. The clogged pores can become inflamed, leading to red, swollen bumps. Hormonal changes, stress, diet, and certain medications can all contribute to acne flare-ups. Acne can be frustrating and affect self-esteem. It can make people feel self-conscious and anxious about their appearance. The emotional impact of acne is often underestimated, but it's very real and can affect one's quality of life. But don't worry, makeup can be your friend. With the right products, you can cover up blemishes and feel more confident. Makeup isn't just about hiding imperfections. It's also a form of self-expression and creativity. Many people with acne think they shouldn't wear makeup, and they worry that it might make their skin worse. However, this isn't necessarily true. The key is to choose the right products and use them correctly. But the right products and techniques can actually help. Using non-comedogenic makeup, which is specially formulated to not clog pores, can make a big difference. Applying makeup with clean brushes and sponges is also crucial to avoid introducing bacteria to your skin. You can cover blemishes and still let your skin breathe. Lightweight, breathable foundations and concealers can provide coverage without feeling heavy or suffocating your skin. Remember to remove your makeup thoroughly at the end of the day to keep your skin healthy. Choosing the right makeup is important. Look for products that are labeled non-comedogenic or oil-free. These products are less likely to cause breakouts and can help keep your skin clear. Look for products labeled non-comedogenic or oil-free. These won't clog your pores and can help prevent new acne from forming. It's also a good idea to avoid heavy, greasy products that can exacerbate acne. These won't clog your pores. Instead, they allow your skin to breathe and heal. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare and makeup routines. Stick to products that work for you and give them time to show results. Remember, everyone's skin is different. What works wonders for one person might not be suitable for another. It's important to understand your own skin type and its specific needs. What works for one person might not work for another. Experiment with different products and routines to find what suits you best. Don't be afraid to seek advice from dermatologists or skincare professionals. Pay attention to your skin's needs and adjust your routine accordingly. Your skin can change over time due to various factors like age, environment, and lifestyle. Stay attuned to these changes and adapt your skincare and makeup routine to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Choosing makeup for acne-prone skin can be tricky. It's a delicate balance between finding products that provide the coverage you need while ensuring they don't exacerbate your skin issues. The wrong products can clog your pores, leading to more breakouts and irritation. You want coverage without clogging your pores. This means looking for products that are non-comedogenic, meaning they won't block your pores. It's also important to choose products that are gentle on your skin and won't cause further irritation. Here are some acne-friendly products that can help you achieve a flawless look without compromising your skin's health. Foundation. Look for mineral-based foundations. These are often free from oils and other ingredients that can clog pores. Mineral foundations provide excellent coverage and are usually lightweight, allowing your skin to breathe. They provide coverage without feeling heavy. This is crucial for acne-prone skin, as heavy makeup can lead to more breakouts. Mineral foundations also often contain ingredients that can help soothe and protect your skin. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone perfectly. This will help you achieve a natural look and avoid the cakey appearance that can sometimes come with mismatched foundation. Concealer. A good concealer can hide blemishes and provide additional coverage where you need it most. Opt for a creamy, highly pigmented concealer. These types of concealers are more effective at covering up redness and blemishes without needing to apply multiple layers. Green-tinted concealers can neutralize redness. This is particularly useful for acne-prone skin, as it can help to even out your skin tone and reduce the appearance of inflamed areas. Powder. A light dusting of powder sets your makeup and controls shine. This is especially important if you have oily skin, as it can help to keep your makeup in place throughout the day. Choose a translucent powder or one that matches your skin tone. Translucent powders are great for setting your makeup without adding extra color, while skin tone powders can provide a bit of additional coverage. Blush and bronzer cream or powder. Blushes and bronzers add color and dimension to your face. They can help to give your skin a healthy glow and define your features. Choose oil-free formulas that won't clog pores. This is crucial for acne-prone skin, as oils can contribute to breakouts and make your skin feel greasy. Remember to always check the ingredients list. Look for products that are labeled as non-comedogenic, oil-free, and fragrance-free. These products are less likely to irritate your skin or cause breakouts. Avoid products with oils, fragrances, and harsh chemicals. These ingredients can irritate your skin and lead to more breakouts. By choosing the right products, you can achieve a beautiful, flawless look without compromising your skin's health. Applying makeup with acne requires a gentle touch. Avoid harsh rubbing or tugging, which can irritate the skin. Clean hands. Always start with clean hands to prevent bacteria from spreading. Clean tools. Use clean brushes and sponges. Wash them regularly with a gentle cleanser. Dab, don't rub. Apply foundation and concealer with a light tapping motion. Avoid rubbing, which can irritate acne. Less is more. Start with a small amount of product and build up coverage gradually. Remember, applying makeup should be a calming and enjoyable experience. Be kind to your skin. A good skincare routine is essential for acne-prone skin, especially when wearing makeup. It not only helps in managing breakouts, but also ensures that your makeup goes on smoothly and lasts longer. Let's dive into a step-by-step routine that will help you achieve a flawless canvas. Cleanse. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. This removes dirt, oil, and makeup residue. It's important to choose a cleanser that is suitable for acne-prone skin, as harsh cleansers can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to more breakouts. Make sure to use lukewarm water and gently massage the cleanser into your skin for about 30 seconds before rinsing thoroughly. Exfoliate. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. Use a gentle exfoliator designed for acne-prone skin. Over-exfoliating can irritate your skin and worsen acne, so stick to the recommended frequency. Look for exfoliators with ingredients like salicylic acid or glycolic acid, which are effective in treating acne. A toner can help balance your skin's pH and remove any remaining traces of cleanser. Choose an alcohol-free toner to avoid drying out your skin. Toners with ingredients like witch hazel or tea tree oil can be particularly beneficial for acne-prone skin. Apply the toner with a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face, focusing on areas that are prone to breakouts. Moisturize. Even oily skin needs moisture. Use an oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer. This will hydrate your skin without clogging your pores. Look for moisturizers with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or niacinamide, which can help to soothe and repair your skin. Apply the moisturizer evenly across your face and neck and allow it to fully absorb before moving on to the next step. This routine will create a smooth canvas for your makeup and help prevent breakouts. Consistency is key, so make sure to follow this routine daily. With time, you'll notice an improvement in your skin's texture and clarity, making it easier to achieve that flawless makeup look. Remember, healthy skin is the best foundation you can wear. Post-makeup pampering is crucial, and removing your makeup properly is just as important as applying it correctly. First, use a gentle makeup remover specifically designed for sensitive skin. Avoid harsh rubbing or scrubbing. Then, follow up with a gentle cleanser to ensure all traces of makeup are removed. Finally, apply a light moisturizer to hydrate your skin overnight. Remember, your skin needs to breathe at night. Never sleep with makeup on. Section 6 to Expert Advice. Dermatologists take on makeup and acne. Dermatologists agree that people with acne can wear makeup. However, they emphasize the importance of choosing the right products and following a good skincare routine. Look for makeup that is non-comedogenic and oil-free, says Dr. Susan Taylor, a board-certified dermatologist. These products won't clog your pores and will help prevent breakouts. Dermatologists also stress the importance of not picking at your skin. Picking can lead to scarring and worsen acne, says Dr. Taylor. If you have a breakout, see a dermatologist for treatment. Section 7. Beyond the surface lifestyle tips for clear skin. While makeup can help cover acne, it's important to address the underlying causes as well. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated. Stress management. Stress can trigger breakouts. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise or meditation. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Remember, clear skin is a journey, not a destination. Section 8. Confidence boost. Makeup's power for acne-prone individuals. Makeup can be a powerful tool for building confidence, especially for those with acne. When you feel good about your appearance, it shows. Makeup can help you feel more confident and in control. It allows you to express your creativity and enhance your natural beauty. Remember, makeup should be fun. Experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. Section 9. Embrace your natural beauty. Final thoughts. Dealing with acne can be challenging, but it doesn't have to control your life. By choosing the right makeup, practicing good skincare, and embracing a healthy lifestyle, you can achieve clear, radiant skin. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. What works for one person might not work for another. Be patient, listen to your skin, and don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. Most importantly, embrace your natural beauty. Acne doesn't define you. You're beautiful inside and out.